Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce my group. First, my name is Nabila Priscilla Wijaya.
I'm Nadia Salsabila Huta Barat.
I'm Kesha Angelin Priscilia Ninggolan.
I'm Ruby Haulia Hananda.
Hello, my name is Bima Ahmad Rifai.
And I am Yabes Christian.
We are accounting student from Tribakti.
We are very excited to discuss our important topic in cost accounting.
So, let's begin our presentation.
Today we will talk about factory overhead, which in Indonesian is called BOP.
The purpose of this presentation is to explain what factory overhead means, its type, example, how it's calculated, and why it's important for determining product and costs accurately.
Our presentation consists of 5 parts. First, definition of factory overhead. Second, components of factory overhead. Third, classification of overhead cost. Fourth, example of overhead calculation. And fifth, importance of factory overhead.
Okay, let's start with the definition factory overhead or BOP. Does anyone know about BOP?
No.
Okay, refers to all indirect costs that occur in the manufacturing process except for direct materials and direct labor. These are the costs necessary to support production but cannot trace directly to a specific product. For example, factory rent, machine maintenance, electricity, and supervisor salaries.
The components of factory overhead are generally divided into 3 parts. First, indirect materials. Second, indirect labor. Third, factory operating expense. Indirect materials such as lubricant, cleaning supplies, and small tools. Indirect labor such as supervisors, security or guards, or maintenance staff. And the last one, factory operating expense such as depreciation, electricity, insurance, and repairs.
Factory overhead can also be classified based on behavior into 1. Fixed overhead, costs that remain constant, like rent or manager salary. Second, variable overhead, costs that change depending on production level, like electricity or supplies. Third, semi-variable overhead, costs that are partly fixed and partly variable, like machine maintenance. Understanding this classification helps companies plan and control production costs effectively.
Here a simple example. Suppose a company has the following month costs. Indirect material is 2 million rupiah. Indirect labor is 3 million rupiah. Factory rent is 5 million rupiah. Factory electricity is 2.5 million rupiah. The total factory is 2 million rupiah plus 3 million rupiah plus 5 million rupiah, 2.5 million rupiah equal 12.5 million rupiah. This total will later be allocated to each product to determine its full cost of production.
Factory overhead is important because ensure accurate product costing. If overhead costs are ignored, miscalculated, the company might set an incorrect selling price. Profitability, in short, controlling profitability helps improve efficiency, cost control, and decision making in manufacturing operation.
Okay, to conclude, factory overhead include all indirect costs in the production process.
It covers indirect materials, indirect labor, and other factory expense.
Understanding and managing overhead helps a company calculate its production cost correctly.
It also helps improve cost efficiency and pricing decision.
Without proper overhead, management financial report can become misleading.
Therefore, factory overhead plays a crucial role in accurate and fair accounting.
So, that's all, and thank you for your attention.
Udah.
muncul di FYP.
Suka di DM,